All right, how do we find the angle between two vectors? We're going to round the two decimal places. Well, there's a special function, cosine, of the dot product divided by the magnitudes multiplied together. Well, remember the dot product is basically taking what I call the x's, -4 times -2, added to the y's, and -3 times 3. I'm going to tell you not x's and y's. This is supposed to be like P1, P2, Q1, Q2. And then here, these are just Pythagorean theorem. Basically, this squared plus that squared times this one squared plus that one squared, but you have to square root them. So that's going to be 8, -9, 16, that 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, 9, so we 17. Here I'm going to have 25 and 13. 8 plus -9 is -1. Square root of 25 is 5. Now y'all technically, I think about like rationalizing this, but I don't really have to do all this. And technically, I could have typed this all in my calculator, provided I did it correctly, put it in parentheses, and done this. I have to do arc cosine, so I want to find the angle. Remember, anytime you want to find the angle, it's always second cosine. Now, make sure your calculator is in degrees. And if it's in degrees, and I do second cosine of all of this in parentheses, and this needs to be in parentheses right here, because I need to take this -1 and divide it by both. Otherwise, the calculator will take -1 divided by that and multiply it by that. You have to put both these in parentheses or you will not get the right answer. And 93.179 would be D. 93.18. D would be your answer right there for that one.